Hunties, I am back to give you the Cancun tea. Hunty, I am back from Cancun. As you can see, I am darker than I was when I left. Honey, I'm here to tell you about the lit situation I had in Cancun. Yo, find out. But before I spill the tea, honey, go ahead and like this video and subscribe. Yes, I said subscribe. Subscribe right now. You already know what time it is. So I'm going to give you a minute to go ahead and subscribe before I get into this tea. Waiting for you to subscribe. That's all. Honey, I got to tell you what went down in Cancun. But I'm going to wait for you to subscribe first. Subscribe to my channel. If you want more videos, you need to subscribe, honey. I need more subscribers. Subscribe. You can't keep on getting free tea from me.
Hang up and try again.
Alright, just playing, y'all. But let me get into it. Cancun was lit. This is about to be a story time. I'm about to get all into it and tell y'all about my lit litation. It was a litation, honey. Sweetie, so, okay, starting off, we're going to Cancun. First day, we had a chill day. Me and Tashiana went, and we went with my mother. Well, my mother was there. We didn't go with her. My mother was there. So, we chill with her for a little while the first day. Second day, oh, sorry, guys. Second day, first day, we chilled with my mother for like an hour. Then we went to our own hotel, and we had like checked in. Our hotel was on the beach, so we stayed on the beach and we just enjoyed our hotel for the day. We like got in the pool, went to the beach. We looked pretty. We were just relaxing. Okay, so the second day we had excursion scheduled. We were supposed to go hiking, zip lining, and ATVing. So we wake up at 6:30 in the morning. I start getting dressed. I'm downstairs by 7 o'clock asking for towels and washcloths so we can wash our face and, shower and stuff. Or when we come back, more towels, whatever. So I wake up, I shower, I get dressed. Okay, we supposed to be downstairs by 7:30. So mind you, I was downstairs at 7 o'clock early. I was already up, already dressed by 7. So, we downstairs now is 7:25. And we waiting for the bus to come pick us up for ATV. Hold on, I'm hot. Let me turn this on. We waiting for the bus to pick us up to go ATV and zip lining and stuff, right? So we sitting there waiting. I'm like, Tashiana, you better call the people because I don't know where they at, but they're taking a long time to come. So why we calling them? Or some girls was like, wait, are y'all supposed to be going to like an excursion or something? Some people came for y'all. Like, what's your name? Like Tashiana or something? And we like, yeah, that's us. She like, oh, they left a paper at the desk. So we go to the desk. Mind you, nobody called us down. Nobody told us that they came, nothing. So we go to the desk and they left a paper saying they got there at 7:15. All in all, we called them. They told us we were supposed to be down there at 7:15. The person on the phone told us 7:30. So we rescheduled it for tomorrow. So I'm like, look, I'm hungry and I'm just pissed off at this point. So, let's get out this room. So, we like, all right, well, what we going to do? What we going to do? And we was downtown. We pretty much stayed, like, downtown. So, I was like, what we going to do? What we going to do? So, we ended up catching the bus. Yes, the bus. Me. I caught the bus. And y'all know me. I'm bougie. I don't really do buses. But it was different because we was in another country. So, honey, the buses and the cabs in Mexico drive 100 miles per hour. Literally, I couldn't believe it. Like, holding on for your life. Because the bus is driving 100 miles per hour. Literally. So, anyway, it's 5 minutes, 10 minutes from our hotel is downtown. You see the Cancun sign. Like, everything. So, we get out the hotel. It's like 9 o'clock in the morning at this point. So, we get out the bus. And now we downtown. We stop at the flea market. We get some souvenirs, some shirts for our family, whatever. And the people at the flea market was telling us about this boat party. They like, go to the boat party today. What y'all doing today? We like, well, we just missed our ATV bus, so we don't know what we doing today. We don't really have no plans. And mind you, everybody trying to sell you something. So this girl from New Jersey lit it. She was like, well, go to the boat party. I got the tickets for the boat party. You know, you pay $60 and you go on the boat from 12 to 6 and it's all you can drink, all you can eat. It be lit and it's topless. Sometimes it could be topless. So we like, she just trying to take our money, man. Like, we ain't gonna go. So we like, all right, we gonna think about that. We gonna come back to you because she just trying to sell us something. We just like, damn, that is a good deal. All you can drink, all you can eat, a boat party, and you go snorkeling and parasailing. We lit. We on there. Count us in. We get a girl. You don't. YouTube, say hi to Tashiana. So she just called me on FaceTime, messed my whole video up. But we about to finish telling y'all what happened in Cancun. Cause baby, it was lit. Wasn't it lit? So y'all can't really see me like that for right now, but it's fine because y'all can see Tashiana. Alright, so Tashiana, tell them about the boat party, girl.
The boat party was so much fun. Like, it started off, you know, real casual, real cool. Every time your drink was empty, they kept filling up your drink. And after that, after about one too many, turned into a real party. That's all I gotta say.
Tell them about the snorkeling.
Oh, the snorkeling was fun. I got to see, they had like the peace sign under the water. I've never been snorkeling before, so like, it was definitely fun for me because, you know, I ain't never seen no fish.
Oh my God, you frozen. Hold up, there you go, there you go.
Oh!
Alright, there she go. What did you see underwater?
The peace sign. It was like a statue with the peace sign, and it had like, I don't know, I think it was only the peace sign, but it was like 3 of them I seen. And I never knew that they had statues under the water.
You know they got like a whole underwater museum in Cancun.
Yeah, I did not even know that. So
you saw fishes too, right?
Fishes, dirty seaweed.
So Tashiana, oh crap, my phone. Tashiana saw a lot of stuff underwater, but I was too busy trying not to drown. That I saw some things, but the first thing I was scared, and my snorkeling gear wasn't like the best of the best snorkeling gear. So you really, we snorkel, but you just really like had to like snorkel but not drown at the same time. Cause but we had on life vests and stuff. Let me tell y'all, it was so freaking lit. Like it was lit. So then they took us, huh? Oh my God, y'all. I'm gonna tell you about that. Hold up. I'm gonna tell you about the alcohol and touching on the eye in a second. So we went to the boat that we went on. I forgot what the name of it was, y'all. I'm sorry. I can't tell y'all just in case. It was just like, all you gotta do is just go to flea market, ask for Jennifer or Jenny from the block. And Jenny from the block gonna tell y'all about the boat party. Just be like, Jenny, is Jennifer here? Jenny, what's up with the boat party? And she gonna tell y'all about it. But look. The boat took us to Isla Mujeres. Isla Mujeres is like another town in Mexico, and we got to get off the boat, walk in the town, just have a lot of fun in the town, whatever. It was just like basic fun because you get to rent a golf cart and drive around in their town until the boat come back and get you. But look, so after we got finished going in the Isla Mujeres, I'm gonna let Tashiana tell y'all about how she was taking body shots and what happened with that.
So the shot.
Make sure you talk loud.
Oh, so the shot was like he had.
Because children watch my channel. But anyway, it was a shot that she was taking from the bottle. And he had the bottle down below, and she got under, and the damn alcohol got in her eye. I forgot it's children that watch my channel. So yes, viewer discretion definitely advised. But anyway, yeah, so we had the time of our lives in Cancun. Oh, don't forget about La Vaquita. La Vaquita was this club in Mexico. Baby, you paid $35. Me and Tashiana got away with paying $30 because the boy ain't know how to count American dollars. But we paid $30 to get in La Vaquita. And La Vaquita was what, Tosh? La Vaquita was so lit, y'all. Like, if you go to Cancun and you go downtown, make sure you go to La Vaquita. La Vaquita was lit. We went to the club called La Vaquita and they played like hip hop music and it was like some semi-pro football players there. And it was like 100 of them. Shit was lit. They was having a twerking contest and my computer falling. They had a twerking contest and these girls was going crazy on the twerk, okay? And it was just like, that wasn't the fun part. The fun part was all you can drink. Like, yo, they give you this huge cup. Huge cup. And the cup, they fill the cup up. They keep filling the cup up, filling the cup up, filling the cup up, filling the cup up. All you can drink, you just keep going to get all you can drink. And next thing you know, you lit. Hopefully you don't be like that. But yeah, we was lit. We had a good time. We met some people. And then the next morning, we had to go. So, this is my Cancun story, guys. Tashiana is here. Baby girl. They can see you. I'm looking right at you in the camera. What should they do? Tell them how they can follow you. Speak loud.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Tarshi J.
Hold up. You wasn't loud enough. Say it again.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Tarshi J Vlog. TARSHIEJAYVLOGS. Ow!
And if y'all ain't subscribing, we ain't got time. We not gonna keep on spilling tea for y'all not to subscribe. So go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Like this video and comment if you think I had a lit time. And tell me when you going or about the time you went and it was lit. Thanks for watching, guys. Ciao. Our phones was dead the whole time we was in Cancun, or they wouldn't charge, or they was dying, or we didn't get service. But let me tell you, that was the best time of my life. A dead phone is not so bad after all. So I really didn't get to like take that many pictures or record like all the stuff. But I got pictures. I had people take pictures of me and send them to my phone. I got pictures and I'm gonna upload some to this video. Y'all, Cancun was lit. Bye.